How to fix the Discord is not opening. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Discord application is not opening, here are some of the troubleshooting steps that should help. To get started with, you have to force stop and restart the Discord app. To do so, long press it and go to app info. Once you reach that page, you will see a force stop option. Tap on it and tap on OK. Now that you reopen the app, it should work properly. If not, head over to clear the cache on your Android. Long press the app info again and go to storage and cache. This time tap on clear cache and you're good to go. If it does not work, head over to your Play Store or App Store to update the app to the latest version. Tap on the search bar and type in Discord. If there are any updates, tap on the update button. This should probably help. However, if it does not, you might have to uninstall and reinstall the application. Also, make sure to check for the internet connection and ensure you have a stable one. You can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to check for the connection. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.